Alright, so I have the Husky 12-in-1 ratchet screwdriver. It is a ratchet screwdriver, quick load, Husky lifetime warranty. It comes with the bits that it has in there are, it has square bits number 1, number 2, number 3, Phillips bits number 1, number 2, and number 3, star bits, which is good for appliances such as dishwashers. It comes with the number 10, number 15, and the all too common number 20, as well as number 25. Slotted bits, 3/16 inch and 1/4 inch right here. And on here it shows the 3-position ratcheting. It's very ratchet. Right here, quick load design where you can actually store the bits in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this out. It's kind of tricky how you get it open. I'm not exactly sure, but we'll figure it out right here. Or maybe we won't that way. Or I can just take this knife right here. Boom. Get that one open. That one open. So just like that, I pulled it open, and so I have those right there, and then now I have the bits, which I'm going to get out. Pull that. And then pull this right here. So all of this is out. So here are the bits that were inside. You have the star bits. No, it's 2 sides to it. Side A and side B for each of the bits. So they combine them all. So I'm going to line them up, and then I'm going to show you how to use the Husky ratchet screwdriver. So here are the Phillips bits. Here's a star bit. Phillips and square bit. And more stars. So here's the ratchet screwdriver. So you adjust it, shows you right here. Neutral or lock. And then that way. And then that way. Now the top is where you load the free using ratchets in here. Gonna load this one in right here. See, it goes all the way down right here, so it's nice and secure. Just simply press them down. Into the slot. And you see how it comes out, the part right down here at the bottom. Now all of them securely fit in there, so they're snug in there and do not come out easily. You get them out by simply pressing down right there. See, I can press down on each one of these, and they come out like that. See that? And then when it's up like there, you can pick which one that you want. I'll pick the Phillips. See these back here? I'll just put them back in there. So I have the Phillips right here, and basically what you do is to pull this out right here. You see it's right here. It's just the square right here, or not the square, the hexagon right here. You take this right here, pull this back, and it slides out. Okay, so once it slides out, you can store this right here if you want. Slides that down in there if you want. And then you can take the bit that you want, Slide it in there, and it locks into place. And the only way it'll release is if you pull back on here, and it slides out. So spring loaded, press that in, that. And so once I have this in here, you'll take this, the screwdriver, and you'll ratchet your way. So to unscrew or go counterclockwise, you see how this is aligned right here? It shows it right here. This is the way the arrow is pointing that way. So counterclockwise, it is taking it out. Now if I want to go clockwise or tighten the screw, I'll simply come right here and go to the neutral center position, and I'll go to this position right here. And it's pointing that way, meaning that the screw is going to turn this way or clockwise, and that's how you tighten a screw. So I'll have this right here, and it's tightening right there. Now when you're using this, make sure you press down all the way so that the bits don't get worn out. Just turn it like that. It's fairly simple thing to use, very handy because it's compact. The only downfall I see is that it doesn't have an extender. This right here is not an extender. So if you have something, for instance, a screw that is down inside of a hole somewhere, you may find it difficult or even impossible to get the bit on the screw head itself in order to tighten it or loosen it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. And with this, you can also flip it. So this screw bit or the screwdriver bit goes in right here. You see how it Phillips. On the back side, they have a different size Phillips where I can just go ahead and press this in, locks in. So I have the other side of Phillips. So that's one thing that's really handy about this. You have 8 different bits when you consider that, not 8, more than that. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? You have 12 different bits. That's why it's called a 12-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. You have 12 different bits or screwdrivers that you can have simply because they put a piece on either end of this. So when I'm done with this, I always put this back into place, make sure that's down in there. Then I also take this placeholder, that's what I call it, and slide it back in. Locks into place for safekeeping, just like that. Now this is the Husky 12-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver quick load. It showed you how to do it, how to use it, how to use the ratcheting part, as well as how to load it. And the grip of this right here is rubber, so it's good grip control on that. And I see this being a tool that I use quite often in the future for some of my DIY projects and whatnot. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.